Hello guys, so if you're looking to create a booking in booking.com without using a credit card, so if that's the case, you come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly open your browser, and as you can see I've already entered the destination, the time I'm going to spend, and the amount of people and the number of people who are going to go. So now all you have to do is just simply search like you normally do. So now what you have to do is just simply scroll down, and over here you will find an option called book without a credit card. Just simply choose this option and wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, every single booking that you will see over here, you will not have to pay a single dollar to book your room. So let's say for example, let's go with this one. So click on that. Now as you can see, this is the resort. So if you scroll down, you will find that no amount of money will be needed to book anything. Just simply scroll down and let's choose a room. Let's do. So as you can see over here, it is again said no credit card needed. So click on reserve. Now again scroll down, and over here you will find again no payment today, you will pay when you stay. As you can see, you will not have to pay anything while you are making the booking, as you can see right over here. So again scroll down and click on final details, but you have to fill all of the details above. So I'm just going to show you it is true or not. You can just simply click on final details. And now as you can see, I can just simply click on complete booking and no amount of money will be needed, as you can see right over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.